Hello everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to be on here. It's your girl Kele, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make one of the most powerful recipes to facilitate hair growth. And if you're interested in knowing more, do well to like, subscribe, comment. So let's start. So I'm going to be using 5 powerful ingredients. Here are my olive oil, my cloves, my aloe vera, my castor oil. So our first ingredient is our cloves, the most powerful. Our second, here are aloe vera, which is rich in fatty acids to help hydrate and moisturize your hair. Guys, aloe vera is underrated. Aloe vera is actually very rich, and aloe vera mixed with any ingredient for hair growth helps to balance everything, making your hair not just grow but to also grow and be moisturized and hydrated. Our other ingredient right here is our castor oil. Castor oil is a carrier oil, and it's also a very good ingredient for hair growth. Here is my favorite, olive oil. Olive oil is the base for extracting any ingredients you would want to eventually turn into an oil. Now cloves is a dry ingredient, so you need an oil to extract all the nutrients and all of that. So let's get to business. So first of all, we're going to use our olive oil as the base to steam up our cloves. Right, this process actually takes 5 minutes, nothing above 5 minutes, because we do not want to fry our cloves. Please guys, this is not yam, it is not plantain. But yeah, so we're just going to do this under low heat. This is actually to break every form of dormancy, and then when we take it out, we cool it off, and then we add our other ingredient, which is the castor oil. My castor oil is almost done, so it was just the right quantity I needed. And then I didn't tell you guys about my power secret ingredient, which is ginger. Ginger is great. It's great for this procedure that we're doing. So we're gonna add that. We're just gonna cut ginger. I didn't grate it, I didn't blend it or anything. I just chopped it into pieces, and then I added it to my concoction, guys. And then lastly, you're just gonna add the aloe vera, and voila, our recipe is ready. So you're going to cover this and leave this for 3 weeks for it to ferment, and this process is actually to help the oil absorb all the nutrients from the cloves and all of that. Thank you so much for watching. This is just a quick video. Please do well to like, subscribe, and comment. God bless you.